Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for anyone. Dreaming of starting a new chapter in life, how to relocate to a new country with your family. Moving to a new country is a big decision. And when you're relocating with your family, there are even more factors to consider. From finding the right destination and securing visas to settling into a new community. And ensuring your family's well-being, the process can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to make your family's relocation smooth, stress-free, and successful. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. Why relocate with your family? Before we dive into the steps, let's talk about why relocating to a new country with your family can be such a rewarding experience. Here are some of the key benefits. Better opportunities. A new country can offer better job prospects, higher salaries, and access to world-class education for your children. Improved quality of life. Many countries offer excellent healthcare, safety, and a higher standard of living. Cultural enrichment. Living in a new country allows your family to experience new cultures, languages, and traditions, broadening your horizons. Adventure. Relocating as a family can be an exciting adventure that brings you closer together and creates lifelong memories. Now, let's explore the steps to make your family's relocation a success. Step 1. Choose the right country. Step 1 is choosing the right country. This is one of the most important decisions you'll make, as it will impact every aspect of your family's life. Here is how to choose the right destination. Consider your priorities. Think about what's most important for your family: job, opportunities, education, healthcare, safety, or lifestyle. Research the cost of living. Make sure the country you choose aligns with your budget. Websites like Numbeo can help you compare costs. Check visa requirements. Look into the visa options available for families, and ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. Visit if possible. If you can, visit the country beforehand to get a feel for the culture, lifestyle, and community. Choosing the right country is the foundation of a successful relocation. Step 2. Secure the necessary visas. Step 2 is securing the necessary visas. Once you've chosen your destination, the next step is to ensure your family has the right visas to live and work there. Here is what you need to know. Research visa options. Look into the visa options available for families, such as work visas, student visas, or family reunification visas. Gather required documents. Prepare all necessary documents, such as passports, birth certificates, marriage certificates, and proof of income. Apply early. Visa processing can take time, so start the application process as early as possible. Consider permanent residency if you plan to stay long-term. Look into pathways to permanent residency or citizenship. Securing the right visas is crucial for a smooth relocation. Step 3. Plan your finances. Step 3 is planning your finances. Relocating to a new country can be expensive, so it's important to plan your finances carefully. Here is how to do it. Create a budget. Calculate the costs of moving, including flights, shipping, housing, and living expenses. Save for emergencies. Set aside an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Understand tax implications. Research the tax laws in your new country and consult a tax advisor if needed. Open a bank account. Once you arrive, open a local bank account to manage your finances more easily. Proper financial planning will help you avoid stress and ensure a smooth transition. Step 4. Find a place to live. Step 4 is finding a place to live. Your new home will play a big role in your family's happiness and comfort. So take the time to find the right place. Here is how to do it. Research groups. Look for family-friendly neighborhoods with good schools, parks, and amenities. Consider your budget. Make sure the rent or mortgage fits within your budget. Visit if possible. If you can, visit the area beforehand to get a feel for the community. Hire a local real estate agent. A local agent can help you navigate the housing market and find the perfect home. Finding the right home is key to settling into your new country. Step 5. Enroll your children in school. Step 5 is enrolling your children in school. Education is a top priority for families, so it's important to find the right school for your children. Here is how to do it. Research tools. Look into the education system in your new country and research schools in your area. Consider international schools if your children don't speak the local language. International schools can be a great option. Prepare documents. Gather all necessary documents, such as transcripts, vaccination records, and birth certificates. Visit schools if possible. Visit schools to meet with teachers and tour the facilities. Ensuring your children have a smooth transition to their new school is crucial for their happiness and success. Step 6. Find a job or start a business. Step 6 is finding a job or starting a business. If you're relocating for work, make sure your job is secured before you move. If not, start your job search early. Here is how to do it. Update your resume. Tailor your resume to the local job market and highlight your skills and experience. Network. Join professional networks, attend job fairs, and connect with locals in your industry. Consider remote work. If you have a job that allows remote work, you may be able to continue working for your current employer. Start a business. If you're an entrepreneur, research the requirements for starting a business in your new country. Securing a job or starting a business will provide financial stability for your family. Step 7. Learn the local language and culture. Step 7 is learning the local language and culture. Adapting to a new culture is an important part of relocating, and learning the local language can make the transition easier. Here is how to do it. Take language classes. Enroll in language classes, or use language learning apps like Duolingo or Babbel. Practice speaking. Practice speaking with locals or join language exchange groups to improve your fluency. Learn about the culture, read books, watch movies, and attend cultural events to learn about the local culture. Be open-minded, embrace the differences, and be open to new experiences. Learning the local language and culture will help you and your family feel more at home. Step 8. Build a support network. Step 8 is building a support network. Moving to a new country can be challenging, but having a support network can make all the difference. Here is how to build one. Join expat communities. Look for expat groups on social media or websites like Internations. Attend local events. Attend community events, meetups, and workshops to meet new people. Connect with locals. Build relationships with locals to learn more about the culture and get insider tips. Stay in touch with family and friends. Use video calls and social media to stay connected with loved ones back home. Having a support network will help you and your family feel more connected and supported. Step 9. Take care of your family's well-being. Step 9 is taking care of your family's well-being. Relocating can be stressful, so it's important to prioritize your family's physical and emotional health. Here is how to do it. Find healthcare providers, research healthcare options in your new country, and find a doctor for your family. Stay active. Encourage your family to stay active by exploring your new surroundings and participating in sports or activities. Communicate openly. Talk to your family about their feelings and concerns and address any challenges together. Create a routine. Establishing a routine can help your family feel more settled and secure. Taking care of your family's well-being is key to a successful relocation. Step 10. Embrace the adventure. And finally, step 10 is embracing the adventure. Relocating to a new country is a big change, but it's also an incredible opportunity for growth and adventure. Here is how to make the most of it. Explore your new home. Take time to explore your new city. Try new foods and experience local traditions. Travel together. Use your new location as a base to travel and explore nearby countries or regions. Celebrate milestones. Celebrate your family's achievements and milestones. As you settle into your new life, stay positive. Focus on the positives and remind your family of the exciting opportunities ahead. Relocating to a new country is a journey, and embracing the adventure will make it even more rewarding. And there you have it, top 10 steps to relocate to a new country with your family. From choosing the right destination and securing visas to settling into your new home and building a support network, these tips will help you navigate the relocation process with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which step you're most excited about or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.